In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create backup in Wrike. Keeping a backup of your work is one of the best habits you can build, especially when you're managing projects, tasks, and files that your team relies on. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of creating a backup inside Wrike, so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. Once you're in, look toward the upper left area of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, your photo, or a simple avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with different options related to your account and personal settings. From that menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will take you to a more detailed settings page for your profile and account. Depending on your permissions and role in Wrike, you might see several sections or tabs here, but we'll stay focused on what we need for backups. On this new settings screen, again locate and click on Settings if you see it as a tab or section. Sometimes Wrike separates personal profile settings from account level settings, so this extra click ensures you're taken to the main account settings area where backup options are usually located. Give the page a moment to load if needed. Next, within the account settings, look for a section or option related to backups. This may appear as Create Backup or something very similar. Once you find it, click on Create Backup. This is where Wrike lets you generate a backup of your account data. Depending on your plan and permissions, this can include projects, tasks, and possibly attachments or other account information. After you click Create Backup, follow the on-screen prompts that Wrike provides. These prompts might ask you to confirm that you want to create a backup, choose what data should be included, or specify where the backup will be sent or stored. Take a moment to read each prompt carefully before confirming. The system may also let you know how long the backup process might take, especially for large accounts. Once you've completed the prompts, Wrike will start generating your backup. You're done with the setup at this point. Just keep an eye out for any confirmation messages or emails indicating that your backup is ready, and store that backup somewhere secure and easy to access when you need it.